I was wrong about emails. Now, I'm going to keep it real with you guys. I didn't really prepare for this video whatsoever. I don't have a script or anything like that. I was literally on a walk earlier and something popped up in my mind. The fact that I never used emails to try to sell anything. And the reason why I never use emails to try to sell anything is because I thought it was an outdated system. I thought that nobody really reads emails anymore. And if they do, they're not really serious about buying anything. They don't have serious intentions. Yet again, I was basing a lot of that off of my buying behavior. I tend not to buy things over email, right? If I want something, I look for it. I never get pitched over emails because I just don't open them in the first place. But then something crossed my mind. I'm like, lately there are a lot of copywriters on Instagram that reach out to me and ask me, hey, can I write your emails for you? Or some kind of marketing specialist that has some automation system that sends out emails. And all I thought the entire time was, I don't even have enough people on my email list to send out emails. I literally have like 4 people, okay? Like I didn't have enough to hire anyone, and I'm not planning on hiring anyone. I was literally a copywriter for a year and a half for a marketing agency a few years ago. So I can write copy, all right? I have no problem with that. I got to a point where I was like, you know what? Why don't I just try this out? There has to be a reason why there are so many people out there who want to write emails for people. Like, what the heck? And on top of that, I watched a lot of YouTube videos where they're like, hey, leverage your email list in order to make sales, right? If all else fails, if your Instagram gets shut down, your YouTube channel gets shut down, you still have your email list. Like, okay, somehow that just seems too good to be true. So what I did is I ran a little marketing campaign, right? I used Facebook ads. I offered a free lead magnet in exchange for people's email addresses. And I was shocked, okay? I sent out emails to about 31 people on my email list. That's it, just 31 people. And then about a week later, I get a sale. I see my PayPal notification. I'm like, why did I get a sale? I thought I ended my Facebook ads campaign, for conversions like a couple of days ago. So I looked at the source. I was in full investigation mode. I was like, I have to figure out how this person ordered. Did they just find my website? Like, did they just stumble across it? Because I didn't have the website for long. So I'm like, that's kind of weird. Little did I know that my email list actually worked. So I was actually looking at my email stats. I almost got a 50% open rate on my emails, which doesn't surprise me. Like I said, I used to be a copywriter. I'm really good at writing subject lines. I'm good at selling in emails, but still, I would expect that you need a lot of volume in order to get sales, like at least a couple thousand emails, right? In order to get maybe a sale a day or 2 sales a day. But I was completely wrong. 31 email addresses. I sent out 3 emails total. So every few days, another email, and I actually got a sale. So what I'm trying to say in this video is do not underestimate emails. Use emails. I'm using them now, okay? Now, do I think I'm gonna get rich off of my email list? No, not at all. I need to collect more email addresses, but I am gonna start to build my email list because now I see how powerful it is. I was wrong. The YouTubers who, preach using your email list, they were right all along. And I just thought that it was all BS and they only were able to sell over email because they already established some kind of strong brand for themselves. They have millions of subscribers or millions of followers, and that's why people already trust them and that's why they buy from them, right? That's not always the case. If you write a high converting email, meaning it's engaging, right? It makes people curious, it makes people want to click on your link. It works. It worked for me. It can work for you. That was it for the video. I know it was a short one. But if it helped you at all, to decide whether you should use an email list or not, then I'm glad. Okay, I hope this gives you some more clarity. Please hit like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you're notified whenever a video like this comes out. I'm going to try to release a video like this every week and talk to you next time.